Hello students, welcome back to daily practice session. So here we have one problem, okay, and the synopsis related to this problem I have already discussed in my previous video. So if you have not yet watched that video, before solving this problem, watch that video, okay, and that will be helpful to solve this problem, okay. So you can solve this problem directly using one formula from that video, okay. Just go through that. So the question is like this: a negatively charged oil drop is prevented from flowing under gravity by applying a vertical field of 100 volt per meter. If the mass of the drop is 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 gram, then the number of electron carried in that drop is. So some mass is given, that the mass of that drop, let it be m, okay, and here some electric field is given, electric field value is given. So you have to calculate the number of electron in that drop, okay. So there is a negatively charged oil drop, given that negatively charged oil drop. So let us consider a negatively charged oil drop, and this is prevented from falling under gravity. So if you just leave this, what happens? Due to gravity, this oil drop that goes down, that is due to its weight, right? That is due to mg. But you can prevent this. How? By applying some electric field. That means if you apply some electric field in vertical direction, they have not mentioned whether it is in vertical upward or vertical downward direction, but it is common sense that if you want to balance this, then there must be some force in upward direction, okay. So there must be some force in upward direction, because mg is acting in downward direction, so net force must be 0, then only you can prevent that from falling down, right? Therefore the direction of electric force must be in upward direction. Electric force must be in upward direction. So if you want to get electric force in upward direction, the direction of field must be in downward, right? Therefore the force can be given as q into E. The electric force acting on this equal to q into E, charge into the magnitude of that field. Now if these two forces are equal and opposite, then that will be at rest, or you can prevent that from falling down, okay. Therefore we can write QE must be equal to mg. But our intention, or the question asked, is to calculate the number of electrons. That means number of electron you have to calculate. So how to introduce number of electron here? You have one more formula from quantization of electric charge, that is Q equal to plus or minus Ne, correct? No? So here electron, therefore you can consider negative charge, okay. So no need to consider sign and all here, because we just need the number. So number of electron, okay. You can consider just magnitude of charge here, that is enough, okay. So we can write this Q as N into E, N into E, okay. Q can be written as N into E into electric field, that is equal to mg. So our requirement is number of electrons, so number of electron, that means N, right? So N, just rearrange for N, mg divided by E into E. Just substitute the values. So m, that is given, mass that is given in gram, so you need to convert that into kg, okay, SI unit. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 gram. So if you multiply this by minus 3, 10 power minus 3, you will get that value in kg, okay. So that much kg into g. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Let us take that as 10, okay, divided by E. E is charge of electron, okay. Just magnitude of charge you can consider. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, okay, into electric field. Electric field is given as 100 volt per meter, okay. 100 volt per meter means you can write that as 10 power 2, okay. Now just simplify this. So this 1.6 get cancelled. Here 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3, that becomes 10 power minus 6, and here you have 10, that means 10 power 1. So 10 power minus 6, 10 power plus 1. So you will get it as 10 power minus 5, right, in the numerator. Divide by, here it becomes 10 power minus 19 and 10 power plus 2. That means 10 power minus 15, sorry, 17, right? 10 power minus 17. So if you take that to numerator, then that becomes 10 power plus 17. So plus 17 minus 5, that means 10 power 12. Okay, it must be in positive number because it is just a number, right? Therefore you must get that in plus. Okay, 10 power 12 electrons. That means out of these options we get answer as option C. Okay, please remember here you must get that in numbers. So okay, for 10 power 12 you won't get that in minus. Okay, you won't get that in minus. Please remember that. Even though no problem, here the options are not given in terms of minus, but while solving some other problems, if you get some answer as 10 the number of electrons as 10 power in 10 power minus, okay, somewhere you did wrong. Okay, please remember that. Yes, thank you.